solar energy is reshaping our world, offering a cleaner, greener future. It's not just about reducing carbon footprints, it's about revolutionizing how we power our lives. Let's explore why this matters to us all. The demand for sustainable energy solutions is skyrocketing. As fossil fuels dwindle, solar power emerges as a beacon of hope. Discover how this shift is transforming industries and everyday life.
Becker & Wolf stands at the forefront of solar innovation. Their cutting-edge technologies are not only meeting today's energy needs but are paving the way for a sustainable tomorrow.
Becker & Wolf offers a range of solar air conditioning systems. These systems are designed for both residential and commercial spaces, ensuring comfort while reducing energy costs.
Direct PV connection and DC inverter technology are game changers. They enhance efficiency, making solar HVAC systems more accessible and effective for diverse applications.
Becker & Wolf's solar water pumps are versatile, serving agriculture and remote areas. They offer sustainable water management solutions, crucial for regions with limited access to resources.
With various types and capacities, these pumps cater to diverse needs. From small farms to large-scale operations, they ensure reliable water supply, promoting sustainability.
Step inside Becker & Wolf's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. Equipped with advanced machinery, they boast impressive production capabilities, setting industry standards.
The scale of operations at Becker & Wolf is vast. Their commitment to quality and innovation impacts the industry, driving forward the solar revolution.
Becker & Wolf solutions are transforming energy use across sectors. From homes to businesses, their technologies are making a tangible difference in energy efficiency. Explore case studies of successful implementations. Users experience significant benefits from cost savings to environmental impact, showcasing the power of solar innovation. Becker & Wolf is committed to innovation and sustainability. With upcoming products and technologies, they aim to lead the solar revolution, ensuring a brighter, cleaner future for all.